the Teachers' Day in an advanced time in our beloved and respected teacher's house, Lopamudra Mitra. So today we are going to start the event with the opening dance performance by our little member Rajvika Mitra. So let's start. Thank you.
Okay, তুমি আগে তাহলে রাজবিতা। হ্যাঁ, you want to start?
birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and the 7th President of India. We should obey the rules of procedure and also learn us many things, not only from the books but also about life.
নমস্কার, শুভ সন্ধ্যা। আমার নাম সৌম্য ব্যানার্জি। আমি ক্যালকাটা এয়ারপোর্ট ইংলিশ হাই স্কুলের অষ্টম শ্রেণীর ছাত্র। আজকে আমি এই সন্ধ্যায় আমার প্রিয় বন্ধুদের ও শ্রদ্ধেয় শিক্ষক ও শিক্ষিকাদের একটি কবিতা বলে শোনাবো, যার নাম নোট বই। লিখেছেন আমাদের প্রিয় কবি সুকুমার রায়। এই দেখো পেন্সিল নোটবুক এ হাতে, এই দেখো ভরা সব কিলবিল লেখাতে, ভালো কথা শুনি যেই চটপট লিখি তাই, ফড়িংয়ের কটা ঠ্যাং আরশোলা কী খায়, আঙুলেতে আঠা দিলে কেন লাগে চটচট, কেতু কেতু দিলে গুরু কেন করে ছটফট, দেখে শিখে পড়ে শুনে বসে মাথা ঘামিয়ে, নিজে নিজে আগাগোড়া লিখে গেছি আমি কান করে কটকট ফোড়া করে টনটন, ওরে রামা ছুটে আয় নিয়ে আয় লণ্ঠন, কাল থেকে মনে মন লেগে আছে খটকা, ঝোলাগুড় কিসে দেয় সাবান না পটকা, এই বেলা প্রশ্নটা লিখে রাখি গুছিয়ে, জবাবটা জেনে নেব মেজদাকে খুঁচিয়ে, আঙুলেতে আঠা দিলে কেন হ্যাঁ আঙুলেতে আঠা দিলে কেন লাগে কেতু দিলে গরু কেন করে ছটফট, কার নাম দুন্ধুবি কাকে বলে অরণি, বলবে কি তোমরাও নোট বই পড়নি? নমস্কার।
by Titisha.
Nenu
from the dances performed by them. We are just awestruck. Now we are going to have another performance of a song.
Give me some time to sing. I'm in the bathroom, looking at me. Face in the mirror is all I need. I'm gonna tell you, take my life. I wanna dance it out loud. I wanna dance a million lives. My patience is waning, is this entertaining? My patience is waning, is this entertaining? Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control. Got this magic in my bones. Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and show your stones. Got this magic in my bones. Playing with the stick of dynamite. They but the fairy black and white. Them in the dirty phones, right? I'm the turning hunting. I'm the circling. I'm the darkening. I'm the darkening. My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control. Got this magic in my bones. Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and show your stones. Got this magic in my bones. Been around my mind, and the places around my life. I've had to answer that a million times. The voices in the air, the voices never kids. I feel this tune, I build it to the sky. My patience is waning, is this entertaining? My patience is waning, is this entertaining? Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control. Got this magic in my bones. Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and show your stones. Got this magic in my bones.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था वहीं चला हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, के देखे न भागे न जाने न गाए रे। दिशाहारा क्या उनको का मुंडा रे। कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था वहीं चला हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, के देखे न भागे न जाने न गाए रे। दिशाहारा उनको का मुंडा रे।
Good evening everyone, my name is Shaptorshi. First of all, I wish my respected teachers happy Teachers Day. On 5th September we celebrate Teachers Day. On Teachers Day there is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar, an excellent teacher and second president of India. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They are our second parents. They help us to become a good human being. Teachers teach us good manners and make our future bright. They plant seeds of knowledge that grows forever. Teachers' Day is a best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good evening to my respected ma'am, dad and my dear friends. Today, on this precious occasion of Teachers' Day celebration, I, Shashwata Ghosh, would like to present before you a hilarious comedy drama named 3 Meals Short and Funny, script written by my respected ma'am and directed by ma'am and all of us. The roles will be played by me, the narrator, Hans Hanneke Meyer as Abhiraj, Farmer Peter played by Ankit, Mr. Lucy by Shubhroja, Farmer Albert by Devatrito, Mrs. Nancy by Tanishka, Mrs. Esther and Briganza played by Shruti Das and Vitisha Saha. Let me give you a small idea about this drama. It is about Hans Hanneke Meyer who befooled a farmer and his wife and had 3 meals of breakfast, lunch and dinner as per the condition of the job. Hans Hanneke Meyer needs to work in a cornfield for which he will be paid and will be given 3 meals a day. But unfortunately, naughty Hans had his 3 meals but did not do a single bit of work and slept to his heart content. Hope you all will enjoy this drama presented by my team. Thank you.
Finally, I reached the town in Holland. It seems so good, and they seem to specialize in making cheese. Good cheese.
Yes, who's that?
Good morning, sir. I see you're boarding for the job vacancy. Do you have one for me?
Who's there, Peter?
Four boys came for a job.
Sir, I see you're boarding, and I am looking for a good job. Do you have one?
Hey, have you ever worked in a field? What's your name and what do you do?
Hans Hanneke Meyer, the service madam. I see your job vacancy board, and I come from Belgium.
Peter, ask him to wait for a while because I wanted to finish our breakfast now.
Peter, has my car wait here.
Ma'am, if you hire me, will you provide me with breakfast? Because in Belgium, employees are paid with 3 meals a day.
Peter, this boy, even after not getting a job conference, he seemed to be so demanding. And see how he's eating our breakfast table.
Let's give this poor greedy boy some cookies and a cup of tea.
Well, I'm giving these to him, but after this, we have to ask him to leave as we don't want a greedy employee like him.
If you are done with this food, you can go now.
Who's there?
Good morning, sir. I see your board for the job vacancy. Do you have one for me?
It's such a wee hour. It's not even 6 a.m. in the morning. Who's there? Albert?
I am Hans Hanneke Meyer. I am looking for a good job. I come from Belgium and I am very hardworking.
Okay, so I need quite a hard worker for my cornfield. And if you work hard, you will be given a good sum of money. So are you ready? So what do you want to say?
Sir, I am very hardworking. I come from Belgium and Belgian people reputed for good work. They are hard worker. You can trust in me, sir.
Hans, breakfast for you. I've made hot porridge and chocolate truffle cake for you.
Okay, let's come and have the breakfast. And Hans, you appear quite a good worker, so I think you are good to go. So see, you will given 3 meals a day. At 6 a.m. you will given your breakfast. At 11:30 lunch, and at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. the supper. Okay, and 2 hours will be given for your lunch food breaks, and that's all. So please come, have a seat.
Here go your breakfast.
Thank you, madam. Madam, if you don't mind, will you, what is the time for lunch and what is the menu?
Oh, it's 11:30 a.m. Your lunch will be served at 11:30 a.m. and the menu is chicken steak, steamed rice and meat curry.
Madam, if you don't mind, could you please serve the lunch right now so that I can concentrate more on the work? I hope you understand.
But you just had your breakfast at 6 a.m. and it's now 6:30 and you are trying to have your lunch at this time? Great, what a great appetite you have.
You food, don't you understand? You will save time if you give him lunch right now. The conflict is quite far off. If you give him the lunch right now, then you will be able to save time. You will save
Okay, Lucy, please get his lunch now. Please.
The chicken seems so good and the rice is perfectly steamed. Oh my god. Am I good, sir? What is the time for dinner and what's the menu? Can I also know that?
Your supper will be given at 3 p.m.
And what's the menu for that?
See? Please tell me in the menu.
menu will be grilled chicken, with bean sauce and nachos.
Madam, if you don't mind, could you give the supper right now so that I can concentrate and focus more on work? Yes, my good sir and madam.
What? You just have your lunch and breakfast and now you are trying to have your dinner? That means I supper? What? What is this?
I have already prepared the supper. I'm sorry.
No. Okay, Lucy, please get this dinner also.
Madam, the dinner was, the supper was very good. Thank you.
Okay, Hans, I think you are now good to go. Let's go to the cornfield and I want you to work very hard because you have had your 3 meals at a time. Let's go.
Bye, Albert.
Bye. Honey.
Sir, I don't know what you are talking about. In my country, they don't work after supper. So where's the hiccup?
Sorry? What? A moron! You have had your 3 meals and now you are trying to sleep without not working a single work. No more loose talk. Let's go to the cornfield.
Yes, sir. Where's the hiccup? Can you tell me?
Hey, look, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, wake up, wake up. Hey, you moron. Hey, you moron. Hey, you
Yes, I see, Mrs. Esther. This is wrong on the boy. Eating him, boy who looks so innocent. Hey,
Do you really want to listen to what the story is?
Yeah, tell us.
Oh, what a frog boy he is! He ate all his 3 meals and did no work.
Albert, you think right things. We will join you too.
Yes, Albert, let's teach this Belgian boy a good lesson.